Greetings and welcome to this week's edition of Smart Counsel for Lunch. I'm Suzanne Sayward, a partner at the Dedham, Massachusetts law firm of Samuel, Sayward, and Baylor, where we concentrate our practice in the areas of estate planning, elder law, estate and trust administration, and probate. Well, today's topic is the Corporate Transparency Act, also known as the CTA. The Transparency Act was enacted in 2021 with a start date of January 1st, 2024. This federal law requires small businesses, which are either incorporated or formed as LLCs, for example, to file a report with the federal government disclosing the identities of all of the owners of the company and those who are involved in the substantial decision-making over the business of the company. That's called a beneficial ownership information report. The purpose of the law is to allow the government to crack down on money laundering and wire fraud, which seems like a good idea. But many people feel like the reach of the law is very overbroad and intrusive. And there have been a number of lawsuits trying to block the enforcement of the CTA. Currently, the status of the enforcement is as follows. And listen up, all you small business owners out there, or those of you who may have put your commercial real estate or rental property into an LLC, because this affects you too. On December 3rd, 2024, a federal court in Texas issued a nationwide injunction against the enforcement of the CTA by the federal government. Well, the federal government promptly appealed that decision, and on December 23rd, 2024, a Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals lifted the injunction and said, nope, everybody, you still have to file, but we're going to extend the filing deadline from January 1st, 2025 to January 13th, 2025. But then on December 26th, the merits panel for the Fifth Circuit issued a further ruling reinstating the injunction and calling for an expedited hearing on this at the end of March. Where are we today? So if you are a small business that's incorporated, or if you have an LLC, you're currently off the hook for filing your beneficial ownership information report until we hear more, presumably toward the end of March after the hearing. But pay attention to this because the law carries with it significant penalties for failing to file, both monetary and jail time. So small business owners, keep your ears peeled. We'll keep you up to date on what's going on. And if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to share it with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel and like our video before you head out today. FYI, we are almost at 1,000 subscribers for our channel, and we're super excited about that. So thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you back here in this space next week.